Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to stop people tagging you on Facebook using Android phone. So if you want to know how to stop people tagging you on Facebook, just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Then tap the three lines on the upper right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Scroll down. Tap Timeline and Tagging. Select who can post on your timeline. Then tap Only Me. Then let's go back. On who can see what others post on your timeline is Friends. Then let's go back. On who can see posts that you're tagging on your timeline, Friends of Friends. On the review section, on review tags that people add to your posts before tags appear on Facebook, just turn it on. Then let's go back. On review posts that you're tagged in before the posts appear on your timeline, just turn it on also. Then let's go back. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!